So I just got my Comet Pinball order from their Thanksgiving special. I got about, I don't know, close to $1,500 of pinball bulbs in there. They always put some old man candy in there. That's what my kids always called it, because they said it's better than the candy they give the kids today. It's all the old antique candy, you might say. They always give you a few pieces, but with the $1,500, I ought to get like maybe 1,500 pieces of candy. I mean, I'm an old man. I got old pinballs, and, I got a bunch of old pinballs. I need a whole bunch of bulbs. I need a little bit of candy. I'm going to open up, see how much candy in here. I bet there's only like 3 or 4 pieces. It's going to drive me nuts. Just cut the tape off because I'm one-handed here holding the camera. Oh, there's candy. It is. Oh, very good gummy bears. I'm liking that. I don't even know what that is. By the foot. Oh, it's a gummy tape. Oh, awesome. And Rice Krispie treats. Those are some, I will say those are premium. But damn, that's not very many. I got 3. Well, I do enjoy it. Hope you all like the video. Cheers. Oh, I just want to sit and wait. I want to take a bath in LED bulbs. That's what I want to do. A little too much? Maybe. Boys, I've got some old man candy. Oh, those eyes. Oh, Jojo, where's Jojo? Oh my gosh. Is anybody going to be a good boy and sit? Is anybody? Oh, they can both sit. They can both sit. Oh, hold on. I think I need to pull the paper off. Jojo just doesn't know how to behave. Let me pull the paper off real quick. Oh, now don't eat it. Oh my gosh. You can think about it, but don't do it.
Oh, you can think about it, but don't do it.
Don't do it. Oh, what a good boy. Jojo, can we test you? Are you a good boy? Oh, sit. Don't. Up. Up. Oh, Jojo. Shame. Sit. Control your body. Jojo. Control.
He can't control himself.
Oh. Shame. Becometh. Django, you're a good boy. Go ahead. Go, Django. Django's a good boy. Oh, you can have it. Oh, yes.
I don't know if the candy's good for that.
Here, y'all want to do this? Oh, you better hold on. He's going to take it. He'll take it, Django. He'll take it if he gets a chance. Oh, it's on your foot. You lost it. He grabbed it. Gobble it down as fast as you can. See, you got to eat faster, Django, like hyena. Your little brother. Little in size, not in age and wisdom.